I'm just contouring my nose. I just kind of do like this. Oh my. I did too much concealer. I look like freaking Master Shifu. Parents, my boyfriend. Did you see that? Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. It means the world to me. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I achieve my everyday makeup look and a bunch of makeup hacks and techniques that work for me and hopefully work for you at the end of the video. I'm also going to be including a lot of Ipsy Glam products because I am an Ipsy Glam partner. I'm super happy that I'm a part of their team. I love their products so much and I hope you do too. But yeah, so I won't waste too much time. If you're not yet subscribed to the family, make sure you go subscribe and put the post notice on so you know whenever I upload. And let's get started. Okay, so I realized that I don't really show you all how I do my eyebrows on camera. I recently found this new technique that I am so in love with. I love it so much and I will probably never go back to doing what I used to do. It just makes my brows look so much more full. It just really emphasizes the hairs on my brows and I really love that bushy brow kind of look. It's kind of like soap brow but without the soap. So I'm using my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive Glue. I know my bottle looks really disgusting, but it works. So what I do is I just take it out and I gently brush it along the hairs of my eyebrows like this. I try not to focus too much onto the front. Eyelash glue gets tacky pretty fast, so you're gonna kind of want to work quick. And immediately it just makes your eyebrows so much thicker. Now I'm just going to go in with my Wet n Wild brow pencil. This one is in the shade medium brown. I'm just going to go in and fill those sparse areas that need a little more filling. You do want to be careful when you're using like pencil because it will kind of like stick to the glue. So what I like to do is I just kind of like scratch it over a little bit. Just gonna go ahead and conceal my eyebrows to clean them up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and finish out the other one and then I will be right back. As you can tell, I have been working out a lot on my face. I've been going at it with the iced coffee recently and the ice cream and the cookies. Your girl just has some cravings sometimes, but you know, I'm gonna stop starting this week. I'm just gonna prime my eyes with some concealer. This is the Dose of Colors concealer. I'm just gonna like pat this in with a concealer brush. Oh my gosh, I look so freaking crazy. I promise you when this look is all done, I won't look that bad. I'm gonna go in with my Nomad Tuscan eyeshadow palette. And I'm gonna butcher all of these names, but you know, whatever. I'm gonna go in with the color Vinsanto. I'm sorry if I'm saying this wrong. I'm just gonna work this into my transition to use as like that gradient outer shade. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Tartufo and I'm just gonna pack this slightly onto my eyelids like this. Then I'm going to go back in with that same brush that I used in the beginning and blend everything together. For eyeliner, I'm just going to be using this liquid eyeliner that I got from Wink Lashes. I'm going to film this off camera because I suck at filming my eyeliner, so I will be right back. So I just got done doing my eyeliner. I just kind of did like a thick wing and I will show you a hack that I've been using recently that makes my eyes just look like much more open in my opinion, and it just makes my makeup look so much better. Before I pop on my lashes, I just wanted to give a big shout out to Fiznix Lashes for giving me lashes. They sent me 3 different lashes. Their names are so funny. Let me read them. I got She Do Be Extra, yes sir, She Thick, even though you know your girl not really thick. I just want to thank Fiznix. I'm sorry if I'm like butchering that. I just want to thank your company so much for reaching out to me and sending me these. These are so freaking bomb. I went in with some mascara. This is the Eyeco Rock Out and Lash Out mascara. I got this in my Ipsy bag. So it's a cute little mini size, but you just want to coat your lashes so your real lashes and your fake lashes can bond together. Once your lashes are tacky, go ahead and set it onto your eyes like this. So as you can tell, I'm not laying my eyelashes onto my lash line. I'm just gonna take my lashes and push it into my skin and glue it above my lash line, because this is literally my lash line down here. When I glue it up here, it just makes my eyes appear so much more open. So yeah, that's how I've been applying my lashes recently. I know my inner corner is kind of dirty, but I'll just go with some eyeliner. These lashes are in the style She Thick, and these are super cute. I love them. They're so fluffy. Now we're just gonna jump straight into the face, and I'm gonna go in with my Ace Vitamin QMS Medicosmetics moisturizer. It's a pretty thicker moisturizer. It's more on the thicker side. I've been using this one recently. It's pretty hydrating and it's really moisturizing. Honestly though, it does have a little bit of fragrance to it. It kind of smells like, and I mean this in the nicest way possible, like an old lady. But it works really good, and like the smell, I wouldn't say it goes away right away, but the smell obviously does diffuse throughout the day. I'm gonna go in with my Purlisse Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Eye Adore Serum. I also received this from my Ipsy bag, and this is my first time trying it out. This makes the surface around my eyes very hydrated and smooth. It also doesn't smell like anything, which is really nice. I love fragrance-free products. My skin doesn't react very well to like floral products especially. Next I'm gonna go in, I've been dropping everything this entire video. I literally almost stopped filming because I just kept dropping everything and I was starting to get so irritated, but you know what, we'll just make it work. I don't even know if this video is gonna go up. But anyways, I'm gonna go in with my Benefit Porefessional primer. This is the mini one. I also received this from Ipsy. I've actually never tried this primer before, and people say that it's like so good, so let's see. Do I need more primer than that? Because I don't know. Honestly, I don't use primer like religiously, and I know some of you guys are gonna hate me for that, because my best friend Mai, literally, when I'm at her house, she does not let me apply makeup without primer, and I'm just like, I don't know. I like primer, but I also don't care for primer. Like, I don't know, but we'll see after today how this primer works. I'm gonna go ahead with my current favorite foundation. This is the LA Girl Pro Coverage. I am in the shade Nude Beige, and I got mine from Ulta. It was super cheap. Oh my god, look at my cap. It's so disgusting. I just like to squirt this. Oh, probably not the best idea to do that. I'm going in with like this foundation buffing brush, and I'm just gonna buff that into my skin. I find that when I use brushes, they give me so much better coverage. I feel like if you don't have any acne scars or blemishes or don't really care for coverage, definitely go ahead with your beauty blender, because it does leave a more seamless look. But because I've been breaking out and I have a lot of breakouts and acne scars, I'm gonna go ahead and use my buffing brush. Seriously, if you struggle with like covering up your blemishes, you have to switch your beauty blender to a foundation brush, like any stippling brush or like a kabuki brush. Those are literally guaranteed to cover like all of your scars. I know I look like a ghost right now, but I promise you, we gonna bronze it up, girl. So for concealer today, I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Wear concealer. This one is in the shade Cashmere 360. I normally don't use a lot of concealer, but today I think I'm just gonna go a little more just because it's on camera and I kind of want it to look like, you know, I want it to show up, especially because I'm taking photos today. What I've been doing recently is I've been blending in my concealer with a brush. So this is just like a tiny stippling brush. I find that this gives me, again, a lot more coverage, and it just wastes less product, because I feel like beauty blenders just take in so much product. Oh my goodness, I did too much. Oh my god, I look like freaking Master Shifu. Okay, so I did too much concealer, and I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender. I always go in with my beauty blender after concealer because, like I said, it absorbs like a lot of product. So thank god, like in this situation, I used too much, so I'm gonna go ahead and absorb that product. I'm gonna go in with contouring. I like to use my L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick. I just use this along my cheekbones and my forehead. I do my chin. And then I'm just gonna go in with this brush by e.l.f. and go ahead and contour my cheekbones. Once you start cream contouring, I feel like you never really go back to powder. That's just like my personal opinion because I've been using that foundation stick for so long. It just makes my complexion look so seamless, and I feel like it just looks so much better than like regular powder bronzer. I just feel like it looks less patchier as well. I like to go over my cream contour with a powder contour, or bronzer I mean. This one is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This one is in the shade Cappuccino. This one is super, super pigmented, so you have to be really careful. It is like super freaking hot in my room right now. I'm too lazy to go open my window because it's literally my room. It's just kind of like very crowded right now because I'm not in my current area. Obviously, like I'm not by my vanity area because I got some lights from my boyfriend. Did you see that? Ew, it was like water. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Ah! What the fuck? Okay, shake your LA Girl concealers, please, before you like use them. Yeah, I got some new softbox lights that I really wanted to try out today, and I really love the way that how they look on camera. Anyways, I'm just contouring my nose. I just kind of do like this. Take this shape as you will. I just like to go in with like a flat shader brush and just contour my nose. I feel like I put too much. Not even gonna lie to you, my nose contour looks way better like on other days, but it just kind of looks like shit right now. But you know what, whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. I'm gonna be using the Ciate London powder today. I also received this powder brush from Ipsy. It's from MOTD. I'm gonna go ahead and set my entire face. I like to set my eyebrows too because my eyebrows sweat. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Morphe setting spray. I do this right away after powder because I hate like dry, cracked skin if you look closely, you know what I mean? So I wanted to talk about the refreshments package that I got from my Ipsy Glam Plus bag. So they sent me a bunch of like refreshment products, and Refreshments is the brand. Ooh, I have like eyeliner on my nail. They don't really smell like anything if anyone's wondering, but they get my makeup off very, very well. I'm just gonna go ahead and take off my lips. Well, I don't have any lipstick on. I mean, the foundation on my lips. These Makeup Vibes get some really tough eyeliner products out, and I really love that. Then it also came with a luscious hand cream and a velvety body cream, and your girl was getting kind of ashy, so I'm really happy that they sent me these. This hand cream smells like lemons. Oh my gosh, I love lemons. I love the smell of lemons. Oh my goodness, that smells so clean. I didn't even use a lot, and it made my hands feel so soft. It just smells like good, clean, fresh hand. Both of the body cream and the hand cream smell the same. They're both just citrus spritz. That's what the scent is called. It's very like citrusy, like I said, lemony. I wouldn't say it's like a very sour. It's just like a yummy, fresh, clean citrus. Shout out to Ipsy for sending me the Refreshments pack. I love them. I love how they didn't put the citrus into the makeup wipes because when it comes to my face, I hate like fragrance. So okay, so I have 2 more batteries left, so I'm gonna try and like pick up the freaking pace. So now I'm gonna go in with blush. I'm just gonna use my Flower blush. This is in the shade Flower Pots. I got this from Walmart, and it's such a good blush. It's just so beautiful. I feel like it's the perfect everyday blush. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that onto the apples of my cheeks. Yesterday I was watching what's his name? I think it's called Painted by Patrick, or Painted by Spencer. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I freaking love him. He is so good at makeup. Like, I wish he could be my makeup artist. But he was applying blush the other day onto his client, and he was like, you're gonna want to apply more blush because I don't know why, but when you walk out of the door, like your blush just disappears. And I was like, why is that so true? Like, I feel like I'm always editing blush onto my photos because my blush is just not peeking through. So I always try to like really be dramatic with it because the stuff just likes to disappear throughout the day. I'm just gonna go in with any random brown color and put that on my waterline or my lower lash line, not my waterline. Okay, so I'm gonna go pop on my mascara, under mascara really quick. Oh my freaking goodness, I only have one more battery left. I need to buy another camera battery. My favorite lip combination lately has been this lip liner by Ace Beauty, and it is in the shade Be Peachy. And yeah, so I'm just gonna like roll this up. I just like line my lips. Oh my freaking god, this is so ugly. Like, I'm literally trying to hurry up. So I just like line my lips like this, like that. Okay, and then I like to use NYX Stockholm in the middle like this. Honestly, if my camera dies, I'm just gonna use my phone because I have to film an outro anyways. And then I like to use this Soul Genier lipstick. Everything will be in the description box below. I just like to stick this in the middle like that. Ooh, she said Kylie Jenner lips. And then yeah, highlighter. But you know, I'm just gonna not film that because I'm pretty sure nobody really cares. Okay, my camera is crooked. I wasn't gonna film this part, but I want to because who doesn't love wigs? And I bought this cute hat from Shein and I just miss talking to you all. So fuck the battery on my camera. I'm gonna buy a new one. I wanted to show you all. Dude, my makeup looks hella bomb. My makeup looks so much better on my phone camera than my real camera. Make it make sense. Yeah, so it's been a while since I've done, or not done, wore a wig. So I'm gonna wear a wig today. I'm not gonna do like lace front and all of that stuff. I'm just gonna like pop on a wig and then put on a hat because I'm too lazy to like lay my baby hairs and stuff down. I just glued these nails today, like right before I filmed this video, because I did not want to look crusty holding makeup products. I got them from Walmart for like $6. I think it was LA Colors, the brand. LA Colors, come through because this shit is cute. I just don't really like getting my nails done if I don't have like an event to go to, you know what I'm talking about. I'm really obsessed with my makeup today. Oh my god, I have a wig review on this wig. It is so cute. Oh, I think it's from Sam's Beauty. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on my head. It is so cute. Look at the little caramel highlights, and the color is just so gorgeous. I wanted to wear, it was either this one or a platinum blonde one, but I'm wearing all white today in my Instagram photo. So I think I want something to contrast with that outfit. I already know this shit is gonna look disgusting. Since I'm wearing a hat, you know, we don't really care today. And you're done. Period. Just kidding. So I'm gonna put on my hat, so you know, because I'm a lazy bitch. Oh my god, this is hella cute. Oh my god, sorry, I don't know where all this energy is coming from. Dude, this is freaking cute. Y'all are not ready for my Instagram photos today. That is the video for today. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. I just wanted to thank Ipsy so much for always working with me and sending me their products to review. But yeah, so I'm gonna go head out now. I'm gonna go get some Starbucks, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!